Today we are making this gorgeous puff pastry cream cheese guava braid. It sounds complicated, but it is so not. Here's what you're going to need to make this recipe today. When I'm using puff pastry, I like to pull it out of the freezer the night before and leave it in the refrigerator because it gets softer and much easier to work with. If you don't have time, you can also take it out of the freezer and just leave it on the counter for like 45 minutes to an hour. I put it on parchment paper on the baking sheet. You can also do this on a floured surface and then transfer it. I just find this to be much easier. Cream cheese filling. This does not have to be perfect. It will be kind of thick, and that's good. I have here my guava paste. I was really fortunate to be gifted 2 blocks of guava paste directly from Colombia from a friend of mine. So that's what we used here. If you can't find guava paste, you can use jam. Cut about like 1/4 inch thick slices. We're going to cut about 10 diagonal strips on both sides. At the very end here, I just like to remove the top little rectangle. You can keep it and just fold it over and scoot it under the bottom, but I like to just remove it. It makes it look a little bit nicer. So this is where I'm trying to just line up the cuts. It doesn't have to be perfect. You're going to kick ass anyway. So again, this does not have to be perfect. Just fold it over one side and cross it over the other side. This is just 1 whole egg mixed with 2 tablespoons of milk. Just gonna brush this on top. It'll make a really nice golden exterior when this bakes up. This is totally optional, but I like to take a little bit of sugar and just sprinkle it on top for a nice crunchy finish. This is ready to go into the preheated 375-degree oven for 30 minutes. We'll do 15 minutes and then rotate the tray. Another 15 minutes. The top should be nice and golden brown, and this will have puffed up. Don't worry that it looks a little thin and flat right now. It'll change when it bakes up in the oven. Let's bake. Fresh out of the oven. Just look at how beautiful this puffed up. It's nice and golden brown on top. It looks gorgeous, and it doesn't matter that it's not perfect. You kick ass anyway. Look at that. That flaky crust from store-bought. No need to make your own. A good ratio of the cream cheese filling with the guava paste. So good. You're gonna love it.